Okay, so I've just installed the nudge bar. It didn't take that long. Got that cheap second hand for guy down in Pelican Waters. The wires go down there. I'm also installing a switch panel. So I'm going to take all that apart. I'm also putting this into there. So I'll do another quick video. It's saying make a little quick video, but just to see what you have to pull apart and pull all that apart. And pull quite a lot apart to do it, but it's easier because then I'll be able to have lots of switches. My UHF will be tucked up. I move my UHF to just here. And yeah, that's good. So, okay, I'll do another one soon. So that's it there, that's it. And replace it with that. But you need to take both these sides off because there's screws up, just up there and some on the other side. But yeah, didn't take that long. Just got to pull a bit because they're all plastic clips. There's not many screws holding it together. But yeah, I'll just put it all back together and show you. Okay, so this is a finished product. I had to put the UHF back down there for now. Didn't fit in behind there. Couldn't close the glove box. Yeah, that wouldn't go back together. So I would have used double tape, but I don't know. I don't trust double tape. It always comes loose and vibrates. So there's a switch panel there. Instead of your box like that. And UHF. Well, I'll move that as well because that's sort of in the way of my knee. But yeah, so that's it. That's all done, taken care of. Probably, I don't know, an hour all up. I've had some lunch, I've had a drink, and yeah. Okay, I'll get the wife to join all those together, and hope you watch, like, and subscribe.